how can you enable secure boot on your Windows 11. So if you want to enable or disable secure boot on your Windows 11, then follow along on this video. So if you're on Windows 11, the first thing to do is to go over on your Microsoft Windows button here, and then go ahead and open your settings on your Windows 11. So just find that there, so settings, and once you are here, go over on Windows Update, and once you are on your Windows Update, head over to Advanced Options over here. So it should be somewhere here on your Windows 11. So there you just have to go ahead and do that on your Windows 11. Find the Windows or Advanced Options, and once you find Advanced Options, go over until you see Recovery at the very bottom. You should check that under Additional Options, and go ahead and if you click on that, you should see a section or page that says Advanced Startup. So you just have to select that, and there should be a Restart Now button. You just have to click on that, and after clicking on that, you should see a blue screen here that lets you choose an option. So I'll show you here what it looks like. So it should be like this one. Like this one. We just have to select the troubleshoot button, and once you selected that, advanced options again, you should see an advanced option, and just tap on that, click on that, and you should be able to see a section like this. You should select UEFI firmware settings, and once you select UEFI firmware settings, you should select restart here. You should have a button that, and like that, restart, and select that restart button. And after doing that, you should see a screen that says Secure Boot Control. Select that Secure Boot Control. It should be a black screen, and just select the enabled option or press enter on your keyboard to enable or disable your secure boot control. So there. So once done with that, go ahead and exit setup to save all the changes, and save your configuration. Tap on yes, click on yes on that, and that should restart your computer, and that should enable your secure boot on your Windows 11. So okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for